Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at some body mists. So I hope everyone is doing really well. It's been like a very busy day for me actually. I filmed loads of videos today and I feel very productive. So I'm very happy about that. So I hope everyone is actually okay. The Christmas season is getting closer. I am so broke, no money, and I still have loads of presents to buy. So getting into the video, I have this whole advent calendar of I guess body fragrances. Advent calendar includes the limited edition fragrance Kiss in Under the Mistletoe, which I guess is the big one in the middle at the back. I'm trying not to read them so I won't give up anything, I guess. So this is a 24-day calendar. It is quite heavy. Yeah, see the big one there? I guess that's the limited edition one. So it is 24 days, which I think is very good for the price. I believe this was I'm gonna say this was $13.99, but I'm not sure because I know I definitely got two calendars that were $10.99 or well £10, a cheap one. So I'm not sure. When the box came, it's absolutely battered. I don't know if it's bringing it up, but there's actually like so many creases and stuff. But other than that, I'm actually really excited. So in this video, I'm going to open up all of the, I guess the windows. I'm going to smell them and just test them out, see if they actually smell nice or if the limited edition one is like the best. So I'm not actually going to lift it up when I open the windows just because it is quite heavy and it's very big. So I have it on my lap now. So I'm just going to go in with the first one, which is door number 1. Right, so there's a red bottle in here. And this fragrance is called Sheer Passion. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's more pinky actually now taking it out of the box. I can't really... Okay. Know what? There's actually, if people know like the Hollister smell, it smells like this. Like everyone knows like the Hollister perfumes or body mists like smell the same. This is just Hollister in a miniature version. No, I really like that though. That is really nice. I'm definitely going to wear that again. So going on to door number 2. I also like to say, I don't actually know this brand at all, so I don't know if they're cruelty-free or if they're actually available in shops. So this is just something that popped up on Amazon when I typed in beauty advent calendars. So next one is Flirtatious Love, and it's in a lovely like bluey purpley bottle. Oh, okay. I just got some like on my cut near my thumb and hip. It's starting to sting. I don't actually know what sort of smell that is. Okay, that's very different. I like it, but I don't think that one's for me. So next one is door number 3. I have to say, these are decent sized bottles as well. They're not like small little samples. These are like travel sized ones and they're really, really good. So next we have a pinky ready bottle again. And this is Sparkling Romance. Wow, these are all like very like flirtatious towards it all. Right. That is really weird. It smells like my nan's. I'm not even like exaggerating either. I like it actually. Reminds me of much more happier times. I'm gonna leave that. I think what I'm gonna do, because my mum did like as soon as I said I have a body fragrance thing, she's like, share. So I'm gonna keep the ones that I really like to the side, and then ones over there, the ones I'm so unsure of. So on my side at the moment, I have got these two. Yeah, that's a really interesting smell actually. Right, door number 4. can't get in door number 4. Right, so this is a pinky, a baby pink bottle. This is Love Struck. Oh, it reminds me of that Katy Perry song, that if anyone actually remembers, from 303, I think it was. It came out like 2010, ages ago. Does it even smell of anything? Okay. You know what, it does smell something, but I just can't put my finger on it, and it's such a subtle smell. It almost smells like summer. Like, I don't know. I like it though. But I'll put that on my mum's side actually. So I wish door would just open, because that just took me by surprise. Right, next door is number 5. So we got another like dark one. This is, oh, a Sparkling Romance again. Are we just gonna get the same fragrances like each time? Oh, okay. I got 2 Sparkling Romances. Am I the only person that don't like it where calendars have like different numbers all over the place? I don't know if it's just my OCD or just me. Can't be bothered to hunt for these numbers, but having all doors open at different like things, it's. Oh, it's still got the glue stuff in it, but it's a different colour. It's a green one, and this is Swept Away. Actually, no, I've sprayed a lot on that side. Let's put on this side. This generally does not smell of anything. I know I said that with the last one, but this the 7. So we have a new one. Again, this is in like a yellow bottle. This is Vanilla Kiss, and if it actually smells like vanilla, I'll show you this one. This is the one, and this is vanilla. I love the smell of vanilla, so if this is anything like that, I'm keeping this. It's vanilla, but it's not like that vanilla. Let's go to my mum. Right, next one. I forgot what number we're on because I completely ripped off that number. Right, 8. We have another one. This is something mango, and it's in another like yellowy colour. Oh, it smells really fruity. Like when you're on holiday and you have like those different like cocktails. I'll put that on my side. Yeah, I really like that one. Definitely reminds me of those like really like exotic like cocktails you can get on holiday. They smell like all these different fruits. 9, and we have another. No, they have so many different smells. This is crazy. Right, so this is another orange one, and this is. So this is amber, and let's give this a smell. Oh wow! I love that. I think, to be honest, I don't actually know what I can compare it to. But that is really nice. I'm definitely keeping that. Very different smell. I really, really like it. So that's definitely a keeper. Right, door number, I guess 10. Okay, so we've got another double. It's the Flirtatious Love again. So I'm just gonna put that there. I guess loads of them are going to be doubles, which is a bit upsetting. I mean, I like to have like 24 different smells, but you know, there is quite a lot. Okay, so we have another new one. So I guess each 5, they're gonna have like a double. Maybe the most liked one, I guess. I'm not sure. So next one is Hope Is in the Air. It's a baby blue bottle. I don't think it smells as much. Actually, saying that, I think it's like another one that smells like the Hollister. Yeah. I don't know about that one. I can't really. I'm not sure. Is number 12. This one is in another purple bottle, and then this is called a Blissful Love. So I'm just going to spray that in there. Oh, this I think it's got lavender in it. I know I hate lavender, that's my mum's pile. It's 13. This one is Addicted to Love, which is me. I just like to say, I don't think all the other bottles have it, but this one, like with the sticker at the back, I don't think you can see it, but it has like the designs, so you can actually see it through the bottle. So that's quite interesting. Literally smells like Hollister, keeping it. Next is number 14. Okay, we literally just had the same one, which is Addicted to Love. So I guess that can go in my mum's pile to try that one. Next is number 15. So next we have Coconut Desire. Is in another like yellowy bottle. And I hate it. Oh god, that was really strong. And I don't like coconut, so no. Right, number 16. Oh, we have another amber one from earlier, which I really liked or was unsure of, so I can go in my mum's pile. 17. Right, so we have another new flavour, and this, oh no it's not, this is Swept Away. So we're just getting all doubles now, I guess. 18, I'm starting to lose numbers now. Yeah, this is literally the same again. So we have Coconut Desire again. 19, oh, so no. Again, I thought, oh my god, it's a new one. This is the mango one. So it's all doubles. Have we had Vanilla Kisses? I think we did with that vanilla one, because I didn't like it. Yeah. Have another Vanilla Kisses. 22. At this point, I don't even know which number we're on. No, I missed 20. Oh dear. Okay, Love Struck again. Do I have that one? I don't know. I'm just going to put it here. Back to 20, because I missed it. This Full Love again. Another double. So yeah, it's a bit upsetting that we've got doubles in this, but I guess having 24 different things, like I said before, a bit difficult. So yeah, and Hope is in the Air. Yeah, and Hope is in the Air. That's another one. So the last one is meant to be the limited edition one, which is in a bigger bottle. So this is the bigger one. This is Kissing Under the Mistletoe. It's in a lovely blue bottle. So I'm just gonna spray it for you. It doesn't really smell of anything actually. Maybe because I've just smelled so many things. No, it just smells like a normal, like just a normal based sort of smell. So it doesn't really smell much, but it's still nice, and just in comparison compared to the other bottles. But yeah, so that's all of it. My thoughts. This is amazing value. Like, this is amazing. I loved it so much. Like, all the flavours I got and all the smells I got was very, very different and unusual. I could literally have different smells every single day, and I love it. So if anyone's wondering about the lipstick I'm wearing, by the way, it's a Primark one. This is what it is called. Probably upside down. And yeah, so that is the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I do videos like this all the time. Well, not advent calendars, but I do mystery things and everything like that, and just makeup in general. And yeah, please share it as well if you like. And that's about it really. So I hope you enjoyed it. A Merry Christmas as well. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. So